Welcome to Mexico.
Bienvenidos a México.
No limit Latino. I wanna go to Mexico. Get that mota on the low. Hermano, bring it by the low. Hurry, get it, vámonos. I wanna go to Mexico. Get that mota on the low. Work by the low. You don't really want to smoke. Yeah, mira, hey. Back on the block, cats on the block.
Good morning, you guys. It's been a while. Look who's in the back. We are on our way to Mexico. We're on our way to Mexico. It's a graduation / anniversary trip. My parents' anniversary is tomorrow. Yeah. And then I graduated last month, so I'm along for the ride. My grandma's here too. And I passed my boards yesterday, so I'm just feeling great. Why are you laughing?
I'm gonna tell Grandma what she said.
I didn't say anything bad. I didn't say anything bad about her. I said she's along for the ride.
No,
we're all along.
After that.
Everybody in the back.
They always tell respect them your owns. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Now on the flight. This is my first time taking Spirit. So far it hasn't been bad, but we'll see. But so far it hasn't been bad, so I don't know. I ended up boarding first because I had a carry-on and my parents, everyone checked their bags, so I'm the only one here right now, but yeah.
El amor que tengo para ti, nadie compara, nena, es así. Soy tuyo y vos sos para mí, ya pasó, casi te perdí. No quiero perderte, no quiero hacerte llorar. Ya pasamos 2 años, nena, así que te extraño, sé que vamos a durar. El amor que tengo para ti, nadie compara, nena, es así. Soy tuyo y vos sos para mí, ya pasó, casi te perdí.
We have arrived. Let me stop. I got all my stuff. I only packed the carry-on and everyone checked something. But it's a nice airport. So we got here. It's raining. Y'all pray for us. There's supposed to be a tropical storm over here, and I don't know. It's looking like it's gonna rain all week, but you never know with the weather. It changes. So we're hoping that it won't rain all week because we're here till Saturday morning, I think. Yeah. So hopefully we can get some sun before we leave. But yeah, we're here. The flight was the flight was fine, but when we were landing, so bumpy because it's raining. But other than that, it was fine. How you feeling? Deborah Garcon?
Yeah.
Deborah Garcon? Yeah, we're here waiting for our the bus to pick us up to take us to the hotel. Right. Oh my god.
Why can't I be in the vlog?
What do you want to say?
Completely
Why
no.
are you all up in it? Just
Say something.
Tú vamos, vamos, escuela,
Ajá, escuela.
por iglesia.
Oh, la iglesia.
Tú.
¿Sí?
Sí.
Yo a la escuela.
Okay.
A la school.
Alright.
Sí. What is iglesia? What church? Church. The church?
Oh, iglesia no.
No, escuela.
Habla en iglesia.
Ah,
Iglesia, no iglesia. Iglesia is church.
church, yes.
Sí.
what, they're playing music? Oh, nice. Finally made it. It's so cute in here. I don't want picture me say. I want video. Hold on. But it is so pretty in here, y'all. RJ's eating his stupid crackers. Grandma's drinking her drink. Guys, we're in here. Let me do a quick room tour. When you walk in, like, this is a door. You got some cute coffee cups. I'm rooming with my grandma, and then RJ and my parents are gonna be together. This is the bathroom, sink. Very cute. And then let's see what's in here. Okay, toilet area. Nice. And in here, the shower. Okay. Really nice. Walk in, shower. And then, let's see. I think this is a safe closet space. It's very minimalistic, but it's really nice. There's more drawers here to put like clothes away, which I'll be doing soon, but I am starving. A mini fridge has water, sodas. Then we got the bed, another bed. Then we have our balcony. Which is really nice. It's warm out here though. A nice little chair. This is the view. People are in the pool below us. But it's nice out here. Well, hot. We got the mirror right here. Oh, a little table, some seats. But yeah, it's very cute. That's it. You might have one word since a deja vu.
Room service today, done.
No. You know what? I put your number on Tori for the room for Tori. Yeah. So they're gonna text me about the room here in church. Yeah. Tell them that the room is good. You just need an iron.
Oh, okay.
And more
Okay guys, so it's another day. It's still raining. I don't know if you can see. It's still raining out. So everyone's in the lobby just relaxing. Yesterday when we got here it was raining too, and then it cleared up throughout the day, so we're hoping it's the same for today. We'll see, but what time is it? It's 10:47. So yeah, I'm just here with the fam. Mommy's relaxing, grandma's on her phone, Ralph's watching sports, RJ's on his phone. But yeah.
No, why no we can't find something with transportation? I mean you see
So can't think. So we decided to.
it's not this
It's not this one. It's raining out.
You're gonna walk in the rain?
So RJ's ahead of us. We're walking all the way back so we can go to get ice cream. There's this place in here. That's supposed to do like, well, we saw it last night, but people were in front of us, so we didn't end up getting any. But RJ wants to get some today. I'm gonna show you how in there looks because it's so pretty. As you can see, rain. RJ, you can go up some.
What? Go all the way up so we don't have to walk in the rain. That's why you couldn't find it yesterday. You didn't know where you were going.
I didn't know where I was going. I was going to the pool area.
Guys.
Hello. So yeah, rain. The rain is trying to ruin our day. I can't get a tote bag. I'm so mad at myself for not bringing one. Right? If me this here, I'll tell me answer when she gets to, you know. Me da even PR $5 fee. Right. Oh guys, they even have like an amphitheater. Let me show you. It is it's raining, but this is how it looks. And I guess they do shows out here at night, but as you can see, rain right now. And then yeah, this leads right out, and then the ice cream place is like right here, and then there's a kids club here. And the ice cream place is in here. Oh, you're good here. Huh? Push your door, RJ. Go open it.
Mommy!
Cause you're the one that wants to go. What? You guys were trying to. What are you talking about? You're going to go first. They're just pulling. Oh, Amy is so pretty, guys. So cute. Oh, and they have churros. Ah. We have the ice cream. It's really nice, y'all. Need something higher to hold this. Alright, you guys, so I'm just changing my outfit and putting my bathing suit on under it because it's still raining, but I'm hoping that, let me plop y'all somewhere. These pillows maybe. I know, it looks crazy, but I'm hoping the rain clears up. I don't feel like pulling up the ironing board. I forgot what material this is. Anyways, I did get this cute like short set from Shein. Let's see, what material is this? Probably cotton, right? Let's see if you're gonna answer. I'm gonna go synthetic or silk, just so I don't overdo it. But I'm gonna put my bikini under this, and then I'm gonna put my bikini under this, and what else? Yeah, bikini under, put this on, change my flip-flops, and we're gonna go to lunch. We're doing this Asian fusion restaurant called Sunan here, and oh, we're staying at Hilton Cancun, by the way. It's been really nice. It's just we did book during rainy season, unfortunately, so it is raining a bit, which isn't fun, but I'm hoping it clears up similar to how it cleared up yesterday, so that we can sit by like the pool today again, because we did get to sit by the pool yesterday and it wasn't too bad. It actually wasn't raining at all, so I'm hoping it's the same for today. So we can do that for the rest of the day. Then we go to another restaurant at 5:30 for dinner. So it's an early dinner, but like the buffet is still open till 11 if we get hungry again, which I'm sure we will. So we're gonna do that. But this one, the Mexican one, you had to make like reservations for it, and that was the only one that was available. I'm gonna turn this up a bit. I'm gonna go put my bikini on, get dressed, and I'll be back. Alright, you guys, so this is a quick outfit. You know, simple, cute. My bag. And I'm about to head back downstairs and meet up with the rest of the family so we can go out to eat. So yeah, I'm gonna head out because so hopefully that's a good sign. The weather is a lot better. People are starting to come out now, which is good. Hopefully we can go out and sit on the lounges soon. I might have to go get a cover up to put on so I can sit out there as well. Alright, so I'm back.
When you're finished,
We're at this Mexican restaurant called Maxall, doing dinner. So it's 5:30 now. So we're having an early dinner, and mommy's here. Got the whole family here. We're waiting to order, but we did get our drinks. I got a mojito. It's actually really good. I've never had one before. And then we all had our drink orders. Hold on. Where mine like a strawberry lemonade. Mommy did like a passion fruit thing. But yeah, we're waiting. But the food looks really good so far. The menu, everything's included, except for these ones like you pay extra. But it's not too bad. And then, so just waiting to order. Thank you.
Yeah, I'll try it. Look here, still. Yes.
It looks so, but it really black. Me just say, a molasses this or sugar. Good morning, everyone. So another day. This is our second to last day. Today is my parents' anniversary. So happy anniversary to them. We're getting breakfast. I just got coffee. And then we're gonna go grab food soon and hopefully go on the beach. This is the first time we're seeing the sun. The first day the sun is out, so hopefully we can actually go to the pool today. We'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna eat something and back. Let me ever record none of them here. Okay. You want some syrup?
It's the best day, Tori.
Huh?
It's the best day so far.
So don't say that yet. Don't say that yet.
Oh, you're filming. You're filming.
Alright, so yeah, we're on the beach now. Really nice though. That's the ocean. I feel like the ocean took over a lot of like the sand down below, so it's not a lot out there. It's still nice though, but I'm not really interested in going to the beach only because, you know, all these shark attacks. I don't know if there's any in Mexico, but I'm not about to test it out. But the pool is here. Mommy's chilling. RJ. I was getting you while you were under. Go again. Guys, I'm currently in the water. So good, you guys.
Espero que todos hoy estemos en las actividades jugando con nosotros. Estuvimos esperando este tiempo, ahora lo tenemos. Hay que aprovecharlo. We are going to start with water volleyball. Everybody come join us.
You're gonna go play, Ralph? Ralph, you're gonna go play? Volleyball.
Muy interesante, guys. The game is very, very fun and alright, guys. Everybody getting close. Todos acercándose. I'm gonna give you 2 minutes. And then we're gonna
Y'all, it's back to being sunny, but we shall see because we had to rush in earlier after I finished vlogging. Now it's back. They're gonna be playing volleyball, but I'm just relaxing. I have a pina colada. It's windy. It's not too hot, which is good. And it's just that's the perfect weather. Hopefully it doesn't rain again.
on my left side,
Okay, guys, so I'm all dressed. It's the nighttime. It's about to be, I don't have my watch. It's about to be 8 o'clock. We do have a reservation for a steakhouse for tonight. So I'm dressed up. I have this outfit on that I've had for a very long time. Actually, the top's from like Shein. I got it like 3 summers ago, along with like this skirt. I don't know why you guys can't see it, but it's long. It's really nice. This is my sandals that match. I'm bringing my camera because this takes really nice pictures. But yeah, We're meeting up with my parents at about in like the next, I don't know why I keep looking, in the next like 5 minutes, and then we're gonna walk over to the restaurant because our reservation is at 8. So I'll show you guys the restaurant when we get down there. It looks really nice from the outside, from what I've seen. We're gonna try to sit outside. It's been really windy though, so I'm gonna see if I can get like a hair tie in case it's wind, because I feel like we want to sit outside because I'm not gonna lie, it's been freezing in this hotel, like everywhere. I cannot take it anymore, honestly. We're gonna put my jacket, my jean jacket on to go. The weather, it's too cold in here, honestly. So now we're gonna make our way downstairs. I'll see you when we get there. So guys, we're in the restaurant. Let me show them the menu. It's called
What they call it?
huh?
Pina.
Thank you.
Pina colada.
The what?
Pina colada.
Can you remove that? How cute. Do you want some, RJ?
Because you knew I love nothing. Oh, this is my point of view.
Yeah, it did on the top. Yeah, it did at the first one. It's like grilled shrimp.
Can we get shrimps?
Sure. Hold on. Let me at least eat one first. My goodness. Ended up getting the lemon pie.